Hello coin engineers and welcome to another testnet video. Today I was going to show you how to use the Collection.xyz NFT portal, but there is a challenge going on and for that reason we cannot mint these NFTs at the moment. Instead, I will show you how to participate in this challenge and earn Zodiac NFT and several other testnet items that would be useful in the upcoming days. And once the event is ended, I will also show you how to claim the other NFTs, sell them, and also stake them for additional rewards that you can get from this testnet. First thing first, let's connect our wallet. You need a MetaMask wallet for that transaction, and also you need to choose the Goerli testnet. If you don't know how to select the Goerli testnet, you need to click on this icon, click on the settings, choose the networks, and activate Goerli testnet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials where you can find the links below this video. After connecting your wallet, of course you will need the Goerli testnet faucet tokens, and to claim those tokens, you need to click on this button. This website will pop up and you have to copy your MetaMask address, paste it into this box, and click on the Send Me Ethereum button for 0.2 Goerli Ethereum tokens. You can currently claim the Otherdeed NFT, but you cannot claim the others. And if you click on the Join the Waitlist, it will direct you to a Google form where you have to complete several tasks such as adding your Twitter name and Discord name. Once you're done with it, you will be registered for the waitlist and maybe you may be amongst those lucky winners. But what happens if you actually win that challenge? Here they say that if you win it, you will earn 12 Zodiac card NFTs and 100 cold tokens for testing purposes. Also, if you do that, you will get additional rewards such as Collectoooor in Discord or Alpha Group in Discord. The event rules are very simple, you just have to participate in it, and if you're lucky, you will receive your collector's NFTs on February 10th. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels for the upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.